Hey, Tori here. Before I tell you all about snackable content, if you could hit that like button and subscribe, it'll help us out significantly in the algorithm. Easy to consume content? Not so easy. Easy to consume content? Not so easy. Welcome to the attention economy, the place where eyes equal money, because when information becomes cheap, attention becomes expensive. Here's what you need to know. Easy to consume content, or snackable content as the cool kids call it, is straightforward, short form, easily digestible content that lends itself to being shared on social media. It's usually visually engaging and can be posted consistently. This is very important because we all have a bit of an attention problem. Way back in the year 2000, it was estimated that the average attention span of a human being was 12 seconds. These days, it's said to be around 8. This is one of the reasons why TikTok just overtook YouTube in average viewer watch time. The bottom line is, if you want to grab people's attention and be easily shareable, your content needs to get to the point and be in bite-sized pieces. Speaking of which, if you're a marketer and want to prioritize some of these strategies and outperform all your goals, check out our 2021 marketing report. It has data from over 1,500 marketers sharing expert insights and predictions to take your strategies to the next level. Because predictions and taking a gamble are much needed in this space. Just ask Paramount Studios. That massive company put this to the test a while back with a campaign they ran for Transformers. You know, that $4.8 billion movie franchise? They cut their trailer down to a mobile-friendly 60-second version. They hit all the beats and then listed their release date. By making a bite-sized version, the campaign exploded. It generated more than 2.6 million total completed views across all markets, with high completion rates in Brazil, France, and Russia. Of those completed views, 3% watched the video in full a second time, with a high overall engagement rate of 5% through to additional video content and social channels. The reason we're talking about this now is because the info I shared earlier about consumers having lower attention spans than before, it's actually worse than we thought. This is the average attention span of a human being. And this is the average attention span of a goldfish. In today's world of shorter attention spans, marketers will need to find a shorter way to grab the attention of potential customers. Let me show you how. First off, keep it bite-sized. Think bullet points, lists, short videos. Video marketing is without a doubt one of the most popular forms of snackable content. I'm talking about videos between 30 seconds and 4 minutes. If you need help, check out Wistia. Not only will they help you make some dynamic content from videos to podcasts, but you can also get an education on everything from marketing to production while hosting your content on their site. Next, keep it nutritious and don't make them wait. Infographics are a great example of this. It's a cool way to share high-value information in a very tight and efficient way. And lastly, don't forget dessert. Make sure you're leaving links and ways for people to follow, subscribe, and continue to view your content. As always, that's the info. Do with it what you will. Until next time, adios. Easily digestible content that lends itself to being shared on social media. Welcome to the Godox Light. It goes on and off when it wants to.